Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the devices and launching Camera Live. Open the app and accept camera and microphone permissions so it can stream. Once done, connect your phone and computer to the same Wi-Fi network or use USB tethering for reliability, because network stability affects latency. Make sure to select the camera source and pick resolution and frame rate. 720p or 1080p works for most cases, so you have a predictable video quality before proceeding to integration. Next, configure the connection and camera settings to ensure smooth streaming. Choose between Wi-Fi, USB, or NDI. USB gives the lowest latency, while NDI is flexible for networks. Then adjust exposure, focus, and white balance, and lock them so the image won't jump during your session, since automatic adjustments can distract viewers. If you need audio, enable routing inside the app and set the sample rate and mono or stereo output. Make sure your microphone levels are healthy before you go live. To finish, integrate Camera Live with your streaming or conferencing software. Add it as a virtual webcam or an NDI source in OBS, Zoom, or similar tools. Once connected, run a 30 to 60 second test recording to confirm video audio sync, resolution, and levels. Make adjustments as needed so your output matches expectations. If things go wrong, restart the app, try a different USB port, or lower the resolution to relieve bandwidth strain. These steps usually resolve common lag and connection issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.